Welcome back to another episode of The Quarantine Life. Cinematics on 3, 2, 1.
Will we always stay this way? Wrapped up in the summer days. Try to find that piece of time that lets me freeze you in my mind. I don't want us to change, don't want us to chip away.
So today we are going to do a 2-hour editing challenge. As you can see, there's nothing in here. I started a new video project. Basically, I'm going to edit for 2 straight hours from scratch with no storyboards or whatsoever. I'm just going to improvise. And to prove that I just edited for 2 hours, I'm going to show you a story that I posted on my Instagram on the time I started and on the time I finished. Right about here. So without further ado, let's get started.
All you gotta do is leave it better than you found it. It's gonna get difficult to stand, but hold your balance. I just say whatever, cause there is no way you're around it. Everyone falls down sometimes, but you just gotta know it all.
So after 2 hours of editing, this is what I came up with. Let's check it out. So basically, it's just a simple video with simple cuts. The clips are not color graded, and I mainly focused on the sound design. As you can see, there are 8 layers of sound design. Because for this video, I want to emphasize how important is sound design. For me, it's more important than those flashy transitions. Sound design helps you tell a story and makes your video more meaningful.
Nice.
So I'm going to play the video that I finished within 2 hours in 3, 2, 1, go. Architecture, nature, culture. These 3 aspects is what inspires me to travel. The beauty and grandeur of architecture reminds me that it is more than just a shelter, but can be about image, expression, and innovation. Nature lets me appreciate how beautiful and unique God's creation is. And culture helps me learn and appreciate different perspectives. So basically, the video I created was what inspires me to travel. I think that was a new approach for me since I don't usually use voiceovers on my videos, but I think that was a good way to tell a story.
Nice.
So one tip I'm going to give you is arrange your files or arrange your videos and photos, because the easier is it to locate, the less time you're going to waste finding the clips. So as you can see, I arranged my files basing on the dates. So this folder is 2019, followed by the different months, January, February, and so on. So for example, in the month of April, I traveled to Vietnam. And when I open Vietnam, there are 2 folders, photos and videos. So we open photos. In the photos folder, I divided it into parts, day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and Vietnam vlog. We are going to open day 5. So on day 5, I arranged the files through locations. So first, Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum, Old Quarter, One Pilar Pagoda, Train Street, and Tran Kok Pagoda. So we open one folder, and by opening one folder, there is another subfolder, and the subfolder is basically the cameras I used to shoot my photos. For the trip, I used a Canon camera and a Fujifilm camera. So basically, by arranging your files in this manner, it makes it easier for you to locate your files when you edit. The easier for you to locate your files, the faster your editing process will be. And that's it for today's episode. I hope you learned something, and let me know below what other kind of videos do you want me to create. And also, I just finished editing the full video. I'm going to play it before the video ends, so I hope you enjoy it. Architecture, nature, culture. These three aspects is what inspires me to travel. The beauty and grandeur of architecture reminds me that it is more than just a shelter, but can be about image, expression, and innovation. Nature lets me appreciate how beautiful and unique God's creation is. And culture helps me learn and appreciate different perspectives of life. My aim is to traverse to these unique and beautiful places while taking you with me, and hopefully we get to learn and appreciate life one destination at a time.
Rolling, 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 rolling. Island boys, we the chosen. Double cup, mixing potion with the